Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is the video 3 of our full stack MERN Bootcamp series. In the previous video, we have successfully installed Node.js and prepared our system for JavaScript development. Now in this video, we are going to install Visual Studio Code and set it up with all the important extensions that every MERN Stack developer should use. So make sure you watch the video till the end and follow along step by step. First of all, we're gonna open any browser and type in the Google search, download VS Code and click on this link and select Windows. If you're using Mac, you can click on this link. I'm using Windows, so I'll just click on Windows. So it will be downloaded and you just click on open files, accept, hit next, 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 create desktop icon, next, and install. It will take few minutes. My PC is very fast. I have like 192 GB RAM and I'm running Intel i9. So depending on your PC, it will take a little more. So now we're gonna search in Windows, go for Visual Studio Code. And here, first thing first, we're gonna install some extension. So you will see these boxes. Click on there and search for live server. This one, launch a development local server Ritwik day. So that's the extension you want to install. Trust, publish and install. The next we want to install Prettier. Same thing. And third one is autocomplete. So auto rename tag, autocomplete. ESLint. So yeah, this one. So we have installed ESLint. The next one you want to do is CSS. Okay, so you see here CSS class name completion by Jignet. Install. And HTML CSS support. Install. JavaScript. So you want to install this one, JavaScript ES6. Yeah, so that's the main extension you want to have. So you have how many extension we have installed: auto close, auto complete, auto rename, ESLint, HTML CSS support, IntelliSense, JavaScript, live server, Prettier, and one thing is material icon. You wanna install that one too. It will give you the icon related to your file, so it's good to have it. And now it's good. So in the settings, you wanna search auto save. So you have to make it on, okay? After delay, it will automatically update the code and save it so you can see in live server updated version. So your VS Code is fully ready now. So in the next video, we will start with HTML basics, and we're gonna build a strong foundation. If this video helped you, please like and share and subscribe. See you in the next video.